I've always been interested in geology, ever since I was a little kid. I came from a working class family and no family members had gone to university or college or anything, and so it was very foreign to go to a university. I worked as a mechanic for several years, and then I realized, oh my gosh, that's not the kind of life for me. So then I started school at a state university, very similar to UW-Oshkosh in Indiana, and I just fell in love with it. And I realized that was what I wanted to do, and I learned so much more. I love history, and I like working out the history of the Earth and using things like fossils and minerals to work out how the Earth came to be the planet that we see today. It would be too overwhelming to think about, okay, I'm going to look at the history of the Earth. So really what we do is look at time slices. And so I target specific problems based on questions. And then we look around the world to see where those time slices are available, either exposed or perhaps drilled into. The question I'm tackling in my work in Brazil is what's the transition from iron-rich oceans to the first time when that oxygen builds up to the point where the oceans rust. And now that totally reorganizes the chemical and nutrient cycle in the oceans. And we have the very first phosphate deposits. I was targeting a specific question: what happens after a major global climate event when the Earth was in a major ice age and then it transitions out of that? And we knew from kind of reports in the literature that there is phosphate above that transition and there's iron below that. So I'm focusing in and looking at that transition. A lot of countries around the world are very interested in finding their own phosphate deposits to keep their agricultural production high.